Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Wow, what a day it's been today on the markets. And tomorrow, the FOMC report. It's all kicking off. We've seen a good earnings from McDonald's and a good earnings from Coca-Cola. Considering the situation and the position we are in right now, I regard it as pretty good. But overall, the markets are a bit down because we are preparing for Google and Microsoft. If these two can do similar to what Coca-Cola and McDonald's do, we should see the markets improve. So I'm okay with everything so far. It's looking okay, but we could be in for quite a dramatic day. Let me just bring in my overlay a minute. Where are we? Where is my overlay gone? Seem to have lost my overlay. Where's it gone? Slight technical glitch here. What's going on here? Why has my overlay disappeared? Overlay's got a lot bigger ticker. Let's try that. Why on earth is my ticker just got twice the size? No idea. Someone could explain to me why my ticker's just grown there. There you go. Bit strange, bit bizarre. But anyway, we'll bring it up and we'll try and adjust it. But there's the information that you need on the screen. No idea why that's happened. But there we go. Let's get straight into the live trades right now. And let's try and make this ticker a little bit smaller. No idea why it's behaving in such a way. There we go. Let's make it smaller. Is that a bit better? Okay, a bit more. That was a bit of a drama. Bit of a drama there. Well, you can take a live show, can't you? There's all sorts of stuff that goes on during the show. All right, welcome everybody. And anyway, straight back into the trades. Here we are. So I'm on Twitch. I'm up 4,000 on the month still, though. Now I've got 14,000 shares, sat at average of 7. I had to sell a bunch of space for life stuff. That's always difficult. I was really analysing your position earlier and what you'd done, and I was looking at it and thinking, ouch. So we'll discuss it on the show today. I think it's worth mentioning. Anyway, let's have a little look where we are right now. As you can see, the markets are down. They tried to recover. Virgin Galactic went back up again, as I knew it would, and fell away again. So I'm just holding my position. Virgin Orbit is down today. Tried to buy it at 325. Didn't go low enough. 650 for Virgin Tesla. Not gone low enough. Rivian is going back up again. But Rivian's great now. It's holding above $30, which means I'm up all the time now. I don't think I'll ever be out of the money again on Rivian. Very, very doubtful. Lucid is looking all right. Polestar today is up. Arrival is looking up down 3.9. Amazon down today 5.25. I'm down only 7%. It's not enough. It's not cheap enough for me to pick up some bargains. Not really. If I sold it at a profit and bought it back, but that's a risky game to play. Of course, we all know that. Let's get straight into the trades right now. Robinhood is down 5.57. Again, the same thing. Not cheap enough for me to go all in on Robinhood. Looking very scary, though, for a buyout, though, on Robinhood. McDonald's is up today, 2.69. Great earnings. I'm up 5%. I did want to get some cheaper stock, but I was unable to. But we'll have days when it goes down. Coca-Cola also reported today, and their earnings was good as well. And they're up today, 0.85. I've got dividends with both of these stocks. Of course, they're earning money there as well. Johnson & Johnson, good today. We don't normally get days where it pumps up that much, so that's good. Google, now we're preparing for the after hours. The after hours, Shopify down 15% before earnings. Not looking great on Shopify. I'm sure, well, I don't know. I don't know enough about that, so I'm not going to comment on it. I don't know. Subscribe or ring the bell if you've just tuned in and give us a thumbs up. There we go. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. That'd be great. Let's have a little look at a few other things. We've got Google coming up. We've got the earnings report straight after this show. We'll be reporting for it. We're all ready for it. Microsoft also, they're reporting tonight. If you look down here, this is what's expected. After hours tonight, these two big stocks here, very important. Rio Tinto earnings this week too. Yeah. I'm covering it all here live on the show. Meta down 5% today. I said there'd be one big last pull down. This could be it with the earnings. All created by Snapchat, by the way. Snapchat hadn't been around, it wouldn't have done half the damage. But it's great. It presents opportunity because the companies are good. The companies are solid. It made it great for me to get in. It's a big week for earnings. It is indeed. Massive week. And if we can get through this, look, I'm so happy with my Walmart position. I'm only down 0.5% now, and it's down 8% today. I'm thrilled to bits with that. I've got more stock at a lower price. Happy, very happy with Walmart. Good earning dividends, so all good. Great time now to get Meta. Can't see it going to 140. No, I think Meta is approaching the bottom now. No question about it. No question about it. I'm down 7%. I could go a bit more on it. It's looking good. I think what will happen is, I think Microsoft and Google tonight will set the trend. I think it's going to go drop down before it because they're expecting the earnings not to be great, but I don't think that's the case. I think earnings from Microsoft are going to be okay, and I think earnings for Google are going to be okay. I really do, because I'm seeing my my ad spend going up on my channel, so I know Google are making money. I'm telling you, that's like inside information there, guys. I'm sharing with you when other YouTubers are saying, oh, my money's going down. I'm telling you the truth. Money's going up. It's not true at all. It's not true at all. Some people want to say that, so you feel sorry for them and give them more tips. Well, I'm not telling you that. I mean, it's negligible. I mean, I don't earn much on ad revenue anyway, but as you know, I'm a small channel. I go live, but I will tell you it's going up, so it's not true. Agree, Micro and Google will help everything go up in the S&P. Indeed they will. Everyone uses Google and YouTube though. Yep. Everyone. It's you're not going to go against that. Or is it that they think advertisers won't spend as much? Well, they are spending more. The ad revenue is starting to move, and as we come to the end of the year, it will go up. I'm absolutely 100% sure of that. So all of this is affecting the advertising market. So Meta is now getting extremely cheap. Extremely cheap. I really think so. So there you go. That's what I think. It could go a bit lower just before the earnings, but that's a lot. That was caused by Snapchat, guys. That was caused by Snapchat. This is presenting itself with definitely a buying opportunity. Paul has been a member for 7 months. Look at that. Paul B has been a member for 7 months now. Incredible. Isn't that amazing? 7 months. It's hard to imagine. Hard to imagine. Gold badge member, 7 months. Incredible. Incredible. Really quite surprised by that. Amazing how the time's gone by, isn't it? Paul, congratulations, by the way, and thank you for your continued loyal support to the channel. So I'm looking at Meta right now and thinking, right, okay, what have I got? I've got 5. I'm going to buy 2. There you go. I bought 2. And that's lowered my average a bit, as you'd expect. I bought 2 shares of Meta. That's as much as I want to go with Meta, but I've done it anyway. SoFi. Oh, look at Bill. Bill's been a member for 8 months. We got some celebrations here. Wow, we got some celebrations here today. Fantastic. Look at these celebrations coming in. Check your super chats. You might have a free one. Thoughts on how the next month will trend? I think once we get over these earnings, we're going to start coming up. Look at Walmart coming up. This is great. Down nearly 8%, and I'm only down 0.39. I love it. Just like Anthony Hopkins says, when everyone's in the desert and everyone's moaning and complaining, dig the ditches. Dig the ditches. Get ready for when the rains are coming. All right? And people moaning and saying, oh, no, it's terrible. Dig the ditches. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now, preparing for the upswing. You don't want to miss this. It's the best time probably in history that we've got to recover. Now, if you think the world's coming to an end and it's all going to go to mush, then you don't even need to bother, you know. It doesn't matter, does it? But if you think that the world is going to be around and we're all, you know, invest, be positive. I'm excited. I really am. Really am excited to see where this is going to go. Anyway, Ethereum getting cheaper and cheaper, walking straight into what I want. I want 18,000 now for Bitcoin. I don't care what BSV does. Really don't care. What has space been trending down the past? Why has space been trending down the past week? Now, Rob, you should know that. You should know why, because you've invested in it. But I was breaking down today, watching you. I study people more than anything else. And I come to the conclusion today, you have not yet decided on Virgin Galactic whether you are a day trader or a long-term investor. And that's dangerous. That's dangerous because you invested a lot of money and you popped up, made thousands of dollars, which was great. Now, if you were literally scalping the stocks and you didn't really know what the stock was or didn't really care for it, when you made a profit, in my opinion, like I said, you should have sold it all, took all the money, because you didn't really perhaps believe in the stock. Because why would you sell it at $7 when it can go to 100, right? So you took it profit, which is great, brilliant. I might have done that if I'd made a significant profit. But then what I would have done is held it. I would have just taken some off the top. So I basically got my money back, but I've got my profits and still in the stock. Then what you did, when it dropped, you then sold it at a loss, and then you wiped out what you made. And now you're trying to find an entry point, which is really dangerous because you get all emotional then, and it starts getting really scary. And how do I get back in? So you need to decide not whether you're a day trader, scout trader, or swing trader, or long investor, but you need to decide on each stock what are you. So that way you take away the stress, because the reason why, to answer your question, why is Virgin Galactic down at the moment? The reason is because it's one of the highest riskiest stocks. It's not, but it's regarded as a high risk stock. So the first thing to be dumped when the markets are going down is this. It makes perfect sense because people are fearful. And secondly, and probably more important than the first reason, there's no news right now. There's nothing to say. August the 4th, we've got the earnings. Between now and then, there's nothing to say. And even on August the 4th, we haven't got the customers flying yet, and they will be flying at the end of the year. They always have been. Nothing's changed. And until that happens, people don't see any reason for parking their money in somewhere that's not going to suddenly pop up overnight. It's not. Why would it? There's nothing going on. The focus is on Google. The focus is on Meta. The focus is on Coca-Cola and Microsoft and on all these other things. There's no focus on this. And because it's high risk, people sell out and they'll park their money somewhere else. But that is great for you if you believe in the stock to buy it cheap and either scalp trade it and sell all of it when it goes up, or sell some but hold the rest, but not sell it when it goes down. Unless you think, of course, it's all going to go to zero. But then if you did that, why would you invest in it in the first place? I don't for a minute think that Virgin Galactic's going to go bankrupt, so why would I sell it? Why would I sell it? That's the only reason. It's as low as you want to go now, isn't it? I mean, you know, $7 for a stock. It's virtually a penny stock. At $5, it's a penny stock. I'm not going to sell it now. I'm just going to add to it, or ask myself why am I in it? Unless, of course, suddenly there's some information which tells me that this stock is going to go to zero. You know, then that's a different kettle of fish. But that's not the information. Virgin Galactic, I keep getting emails from Virgin Galactic every day. They are hiring every day. They're taking on more and more people every day. They're not firing. They're hiring people every single day right now. All right. So there you go. It's very difficult though. Like James has just said, keep emotions out of trading. Very, very difficult to keep emotions out of trading when you've got $100,000 on it, like Rob Brennan had. Very different. Very, very different. Now, I know what Rob wishes now, but you can't go backwards and you can't think, Rob wishes now. When I went up, it was great. I made a profit. I was up 14 grand or something like that, weren't you? And then I sold at a loss, so I ended up back where I started. He's now thinking, I'm glad I took a profit and should have left the rest alone. But you can't go back there now. That's been done. And we've all done it. We've all done it. Every one of us has done it. Every one of us has been fearful. I've been fearful. I've cried my eyes out. I've had margin called. It's horrible. I know what it feels like firsthand. But anyway, today is the Google and Microsoft. We're covering Google and Microsoft. We're focusing on Google today. I think it's more relevant. And we are focusing on it today. So that's coming up very, very soon. Now, the big one. You may remember the biggest show of the year tomorrow, and it's probably the most important one we've had for years. Tomorrow, FOMC report. I am covering it live here on the show tomorrow. Let me show you and get yourself in it already. Last month, we had 6,000 people watch the FOMC live. I was like a rock star. I couldn't believe it. 6,000 people watched live. We had 185 subscribers to this show. This goes live tomorrow. It's already had 5 likes. It's already got 5 likes. It's already getting ready to be huge. This is really, really important tomorrow. There it is. Go and put a like on it. Go and leave a comment on it. And go and click the notification bell. All right, get yourself ready. Don't want to miss it. It's at midday tomorrow. It's after the opening bell. We take a literally an hour break and then we're back with the FOMC live. It'll be huge tomorrow. I'm hoping it doesn't always go like that you get a trending video twice, but you never know. It might. It might. We'll see. But anyway, more importantly for the stocks, it's very, very important. James says, long term, no doubt you'll make money. It could drop to 670, but there's a strong support. We should see some consolidation before we retest $8. I'm right there with you, James. Rob Brennan, I am long-term bullish on space, so I'm keeping my 14,000 shares through earnings, through test flights, to commercial service. 3 flights per week. It will be an incredible achievement. Absolutely mind-blowing. Mind-blowing, that will be. The hard part will be for me, how do I exit? How do I sell? That will be the hard part. I know that's going to be an issue for me, but I'm going to have to deal with it. It's an experience I've yet to have. It's a new experience for me. I'm not really sure how I will cope with it, but there you go. There you go. It will be difficult, I know. Anyway, we're live right now. It's a big, big day on the show today, and it's going to get bigger, and then it finales tomorrow. U.S. Department of Treasury is investigating crypto exchange Kraken for alleged sanction violations in Iran. It just gets worse and worse and worse. Sorry, I meant 3 per month. Oh, okay, thank you. I thought that sounded a lot. 3 a week, that was good. That's why it's like, wow. Anyway, so we've got a good audience watching now. Would you please subscribe and ring the bell? Give me a thumbs up, please. Give us a thumbs up if you're watching the show right now. Help us out. If you're over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you. Join us. How are you? How are you doing today? At Wise Matt, I'm doing very well indeed. Thanks for joining me. If you want to join us here on YouTube, come and join us here on YouTube. This is the home of our show. Here on YouTube, come in and join us. I'm just trying to see where I put the... Oh, here it is. Here it is. Yeah, I want to share that. Actually, I want to put that down somewhere else for the minute. Let me bring this... Now, does that work? Yeah, kind of. Okay. If you're over there on TikTok, youtube.com/thedaytrader1, come over and join us, and we'd love to have you here on the show. I'm going to do some work on that. I'm not happy with that exactly like that. Anyway, we'll do some work on it. So let's have a look. With Delta, it'll be 400 per year, so 7-8 per week. That'll be a few years away, but it's coming. That's how I feel about Joby. Not as confident in space yet. I have a small space position, but I mostly day trade or swing trade it. There we go. Let's look at our crypto right now and have a little see. Ethereum's going down again. I refuse to pay more. It was up 45% last week. It's down 25% now. Up 25% now. A good drop. I'll buy it when it goes crashing down. Bitcoin, 19.6. When it goes to 18, I'll buy it. And once I buy it at 18, I won't buy any more. BC Asteros, how do you feel about SPX? Just subscribe. Thank you so much. How do I feel about SPX? SPX, is that a stock? I've not heard of that one, so I honestly don't know. Let me have a quick look at it. SPX. SPX. SPX is not a... Oh. Do you mean this stock here? Hang on, let's bring it up. HVAC detection and measurement. It's a new one. I honestly, it's a very low volume, very small company. I don't really invest in stocks like this. SPX. Bigger version of SPY. Oh, you mean SPY? A bigger version of SPY, SPX. This is a HVAC company. You don't mean this one, do you? So you don't mean that one. SPX is a bigger version of SPY. I'm not sure what you mean. Oh, do you mean XPXT Pro Shares? Probably that one. Yeah, there's SPX something at the end. I'd need to get from you what the end letter is. There's several. Depends which one. I prefer VU, which is this one here. S&P 500 is okay. S&P 500. Well, I use the yeah. Well, that's an overall collective question, right? Which ETF? I mean the. You mean that the S&P 500 general index? Well, you've got to decide which ETF you want. For me, it's the S&P. For me, it's VU, but you could have SPY. It's irrelevant, really. Doesn't make any difference. The same stocks. Yeah, S&P 500, fantastic. The best investment I've ever made. Even though I'm down right now, it will be the best investment of all time. Absolutely, especially now when all the markets are down like 20-30%. It's got a reasonable dividend, nothing great. It's got history. It's got the best companies in America. I'm perfectly happy to own it. Do you reckon I'd make more money if I forgot my day trading account password for 6 months, Martyn? Shall I answer that honestly? Yes, I do, Rob Brennan. But look, you made profits. The only thing you did wrong, if you did anything wrong at all, is you sold when you were down. You took a huge profit and then sold when you were down. That's the only thing. So anyway, the S&P 500 is down at the moment. Virgin Galactic is trying to go back up again. Virgin Orbit is trying to go back up again. Tesla is just going sideways. Everything now is waiting for what's coming in the next hour. We've got, of course, the after hours with Google and Microsoft. It'll be an explosive morning tomorrow morning, just before FOMC. I mean, you couldn't write this stuff. It's lined up like a flipping, like a blockbuster movie. The way the markets are lined up right now, it really is. I'm still up on the month. Yeah, still up on exactly. You're up on the month. Well, I wouldn't say stupid at all. If you needed the money, you needed the money, and you said you needed the money for stuff. That's another thing. I never trade with money I need, because then you end up having to sell because you've got to. That's another thing. We've talked about that. I never use money I don't need. Sorry. Google is trying to go up again. Microsoft is just everything's now just going sideways. They're all just brewing, waiting for this report. Everything is going down. Get ready. I've got orders placed for Microsoft. I've got orders placed for Google to pick up really cheap, silly stock. I've gone 20% down, like really, really low numbers. And if I could get it, I'm going to pick up some really cheap stock. Fun fact, 10 years ago today, Bitcoin was $8.90. Can we rewind the clock? Yeah, I'd buy some at $8.90. No question about it. Mind you, I will tell you now, if Bitcoin went to $8.90 today, I would not buy it. If it went to $8.90 now, I would absolutely not buy it because it's going to nothing if that happened. What report do you mean? The FOMC, the Fed report, Jerome Powell in the morning. Huge event tomorrow morning. This one here. We've got 6 people now already clicked on it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to be live tomorrow morning with Jerome Powell. We had 6,000 people watching me live last month for this one. This will change everything tomorrow. Everything. There are good reasons why it goes up. That if he puts a 1% on, it'll be good. There are bad reasons. There are so many pros and cons to everything he does tomorrow. It's more really what he says, to be honest, than the rate. What we want to hear is inflation has peaked. That is the one thing we want to hear. Phoenicia, you're very, very welcome. That's what we want to hear tomorrow. All right, if you just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, and let us know you are here. Thank you very much indeed. All right, over there on TikTok, thanks for all the follows. Thanks for all the follows on Twitch and Facebook and LinkedIn and everywhere else you're watching me this afternoon. Thank you so much indeed. Okay, now then, to my viewers who are members of the channel who use Discord, did anybody today get some messages on Discord? Some inappropriate messages on Discord today. If you did, you will know what I mean. We've got someone who's come into Discord sending inappropriate messages. Did you any of you receive that? Be very, very wary. Please don't fall for it unless you enjoy that kind of conversation. Then of course you carry on. Just wanted to warn everybody that we have a person trolling around sending messages. All right, and I am paying close attention. All right, I'm just going to stop Twitch for a moment because we have a little glitch on it, and then I'll restart it. And there we go. We're about to go to a commercial break very quickly. We've got Day Trader of the Day, of course, coming up in a few minutes' time as well. So look out for that. Okay, so let me restart that on Twitch. We had a slight little glitch there, happens from time to time. That's why the home of our show is and will always be Google and YouTube. Okay, let me save that. All right, let's start it again. Okay, so we're watching very closely. I didn't get any replies from anyone. No one got any messages then. If you were limited to owning 5 stocks or 1 index, what would you choose? Well, that's easy. I mean, I wouldn't change in what I do. I would buy the S&P 500, of course. That would be VU. That would be my index fund, of course. VU or SPY, it makes no difference which one you buy. They're just set up at different times. So that's why they're slightly different prices, but makes no odds. Tesla, Virgin Galactic, Microsoft, Apple. There you go. That's Google. Is that it? Okay. And I've got Virgin Galactic and I got Tesla in there for the high risk stocks that will grow my portfolio to make money, so I can then put those into dividend stocks and eventually move everything into Rio Tinto and stuff like that. But yeah, that's how I would play that. Walmart and Amazon. Yeah. Difficult to limit to 5, I have to say. But anyway. Hi, Martin, how are you? Always great to be with you. Patricia and Alicia, wonderful to have you here. Yes, we're getting ready for a huge, huge morning. It's like a blockbuster movie tomorrow morning. The FOMC report. I wish the big 4 accounting firms were publicly traded. They make so much money. The big 4 accounting firms. SpaceX would be good to own, but you're never going to own that either. There we go. Anyway, if you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. Seb Dean is here. How are you, Seb Dean? Lovely to have you with me. So be wary if anyone got any messages on Discord today. We've got some inappropriate messages going around Discord. I'm paying close attention. Did anybody get any? I'm talking to the guys particularly. You know what I mean if you got it. Virgin Galactic is up and down. Virgin Orbit, let's go through the stocks. Tesla, Rivian. I've got some buy orders in place should things go through. Pick up some cheap stocks. Hi Rob, glad to have you here. Apple's going up now, good. Robinhood getting cheaper and cheaper now. All-time lows again, I think, or very close. McDonald's, great today. Very happy. Wanted to buy more, didn't get the chance. Didn't present itself. I'm not chasing the stock. Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, all great. Google, I've got a buy-in. How much have I got the buy-in for? I've got the buy-in for 101. If it goes to 101, if we get some really, really silly announcement, I will have 101. I'll have 5 at 101. So there you go. Ready for it. Ready. I'm ready to catch it. Ready to catch Google. Microsoft, the same thing. Same thing. If they report, I'm ready to buy 3 at 232. Silly discounts. If we get a like a crash, a fire sale instantly and it bounced back. Remember that happened to Amazon? Amazon reported and it went down 20% and straight back up again like 1 second later. And I managed to get it. I managed to buy it. I didn't have a buy order in place, but I managed to buy it nevertheless. I've just got some more Meta. I picked up another couple. I haven't set an order for it though. Don't particularly want to buy any more. I want more of the other stuff. More of the other stuff. That's a technical term, isn't it? More of the other stuff. Just been buying the dips today. Yes, we are approaching bottom now. We are at bottom for high-tech, high-risk stocks, but we are approaching bottom from everything else. So there you go. Walmart. I picked up some Walmart today, down 8%. Yip to you. I got another couple of shares this morning. I'm only down 0.5%. Thrilled to bits now. On a day when we're down nearly 8%, I'm only down 0.5% on that. Great. 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 Right. Happy as Larry. Canoe. On. What about Tilray? Going sideways pretty much. Ginkgo Bioworks. Yeah, not much to talk about that end of the portfolio. But we should keep our eye on the overall portfolio to get a direction of where we're going right now. And if you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. I will tell you, we've got more people now signed up for the newsletter, which is very, very nice. If you've not yet done it, please do. We now have 125 who have signed up. 95, that's 30 that haven't verified yet. So there are some of you who haven't done it. And I want to keep mentioning this at the moment because I now know why. We couldn't send out the verification emails. So if you've never received the newsletter and you've registered for it, please do this again. Click here. It will send you the verification email again for all our giveaways. Here it comes. There it is in the chat. I'll do it twice. And then the verification email you're searching for. And it will go into junk because we are using the words free and cash prize. And that puts it into junk. Go in there and look for the day trader at MartynLucas.com. Make sure that you are clicking the correct one. You want the day trader. You might want the Martyn Lucas one underneath as well, but the day trader is the one we're talking about right now. Okay. And I will check in a minute and see if the verifications have gone up. There's 30 people that are not getting it. All right, they're not verified, and I want to make sure. If you've received the newsletter, you don't need to do it because you know it's working. Okay. Anyway, my new branded real estate signs just came out. came in. Good stuff, James. Consider being a sponsor member here, and we can promote your business and make you rank up on Google, and we'll do commercials throughout the show. Every sort of 20 minutes, I'll bring up your website and do commercials for you and encourage everyone to go to your website. And remember, that isn't just in the live shows. That's for all the videos that get seen afterwards as well. Oh, I'm looking for a dip here on Virgin Orbit. You can always cancel it if you don't think it makes you any money, but I think it will. I do the best rates for advertising people's businesses than anyone. $99 a month, and I'm live sort of 6-7 hours a day, and your information will be on the screen, in the description, commercials, you name it. And there you go. Something to consider, James. All right, time for a quick commercial break. There we go. Day trader of the day coming up very soon as well. 385 was my limit order. Oh, Virgin Orbit, it's gone through, is it now? I've already got mine. I'm waiting to buy at 325, I think it is. Am I right? Let me just check. Yeah, 325. I'm already in, but I'd like to get some more if it goes lower. Okay, we've got just 20 minutes to go. The S&P is coming back up. Virgin Galactic is coming back up. Virgin Orbit, we will get, won't fill tonight more than likely. Virgin Orbit, 385. Well, we never know. At 825, what's 825? Tesla going sideways. So, we've got the earnings report coming out soon. We're waiting for it. We will get some information soon. Just after the bell goes, we will get the information on Microsoft. It'll appear down here first of all, and 2:30. Look, their earnings is very steady, very flat. Always is. But they do pay a dividend as well. Not a great one. I need Market Profit to tell me everything will pump after the FOMC report. He probably won't say that, actually. He probably won't say that if you're hoping for that. I have to be honest. I don't think he would be saying that. But there you go. I can pretty much tell you what he'd be saying right now. It's the worst in history, which he's right. The markets look terrible, and we could have another leg down. And but remember, everyone's situation is different. The difference between us and Market Profit is, well, maybe you, Rob, you got a lot of money, is he has a lot of money earning very good interest in the bank. So he's in a very, very high interest rate. So he earns very good money anyway. So he doesn't need to risk the markets. It's different. Bad news is good news at the moment, though. It is, because we can then plan for it and prepare that we've reached the bottom. Absolutely. Bad news often is good news in a situation like this. And at any moment, we could have an announcement that the war is over and everything will change. Everything will change in like a second. You'd literally see it. If there's, I'm waiting for it. I'm live every day. I'm so happy with Walmart slowly going up again. See, it's not selling out now. It's not selling out. It's I'm fine with that. I don't need to own any more than that. That's all I need to own. Because when it grows, it'll become like 3% of my portfolio, and that's really all it needs to be. But the ones we're looking at are Microsoft, which is going up. I've got an order to buy more. But I'm not buying any more. I've got enough. I'll only buy it if it goes lower. Google, the same thing. I've got an order to buy more. That's going up as well. Meta, I just picked up some Meta. That was worth getting a bit more. Anyway. Small dividend with Microsoft. Meta don't give any dividend. No, they don't. Do you suggest to buy during trade or after the close? Oh, always during. Always during. It's a lot more volatile after hours, but it depends on how you trade. Are you able to? I can trade until 7 o'clock this evening, and it depends how you trade, what your situation is. It's much more volatile. So what I would say to you is, if you are trading in the after hours or pre-market, always set a limit order. If you want to pay $10, set $10. Don't just go buy, because there's a lot less trading and your order could go in a queue and it could clear 10 seconds later and pay a very different price, because it's a lot more volatile, a lot more swinging around. I've been caught out like that before. If you are trading pre-market or aftermarket, set your limit order. If you want to pay $10 for a stock, set $10. If you see a stock at $10 and you buy it, you might pay $11. You will never pay less. You'll always pay more. And I've done that and made that mistake. Always use the limit order to place your order after hours or pre-market. That's the best advice I could give anyone today. You'll save money doing that every single time, no matter what. Okay. We got 15 minutes to go. We're getting ready for the after hours now. So everybody, subscribe, ring the bell, smash the like button if you are here. I'm going to put a minute on the clock because I need 20 likes. We've got 33 watching. We're building up for the FOMC in the morning. Let's share with you the FOMC. We've now got 7 likes already on it. I want everyone to like this video. Here it is. Go over there now and just click this and leave a like, leave a comment. Get yourself to the top of the list. It's going to be 6,000 people tomorrow. Last month, 6,000 people watched this show, the FOMC Live with us here. And it was our biggest ever show. So please do click like and get involved with that one. Share it around. Right, I'm going to put a 1 minute on the clock. Are you ready? We need 20 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. With the real Satoshi, please stand up. Please stand up. Say, please stand up. With the real Satoshi, stand up. Nakamoto. Come on now, the real Satoshi, please stand up. Please stand up. Say, please stand up. With the real Satoshi, stand up. Nakamoto. Go on, smash the like button. We're up now, look. We've got 19 likes. If you've just tuned in, we're getting ready for the after hours Google report. We're getting ready for the FOMC report in the morning. Everyone smash the like button. It will share it to more people. Come on, I dare you. Smash the like button. There we go. Get rid of Mr. Mini-Me. Let's get rid of the music. There we go. There we go. Thank you very much indeed if you liked it. If you didn't, boo to you. All right, now then. If you're watching the show right now, and you want to be in our cash prize giveaway. We give away prizes, cash prizes, every single Friday for free. And once a month on Twitch for free. How do you get involved? All the information is in our weekly newsletter. There it is in the chat right now, the weekly newsletter. It's on the screen, it's in the chat. And once you've done it, once you've clicked on it, you'll see this page here. Put your email in there. Nothing else. I don't want your name, your address. I don't want nothing at all. Just your email. And we do it this way so people, real people win the prizes, not spammers and bots and stuff like that. And it's a secure server. We'll never use your email. You can unsubscribe at any point. And once you've done it, you need to go into your junk folder. And I say junk folder to search for this email. Why it goes in there is because we use the words free and cash prizes in our newsletter, because we do give away cash prizes and it is free, and that gets regarded as spam. Silly, isn't it? But it's what happens. I've given you the email you're searching for in the live chat. Go and search for that. All right. And you'll be verified. And once you're verified, every Sunday you'll receive the newsletter. There are 30 people who have not verified it. 125 plays No, oh, 126 now, plays 96. Yep, it's exactly 30 people who have not verified their accounts. All right. I am Groot. Hello, Johnny MF. Hello, MF. What does MF mean? I am Groot. I like it. We've got the Groot from YouTube here today. All right, awesome stuff. If you become a member, Groot, we put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel. You get a birthday song on your birthday. You get access to Discord. We make a video for you, promote your channel, and I'll get everyone to subscribe to you. It's what we do. We are a family here. We're trying to grow the best, most giving YouTube channel, TikTok channel, Twitch in the world. There is our invitation to join if you wish to do so. And here is the Discord if you wish to tune into Discord as well. But as a non-member on YouTube, you won't see half the channels. All right. Okay, let's get back to it. Looking pretty good now. We're preparing. We've got 10 minutes to go before the markets close. And we're very, very excited this afternoon. We are waiting for the earnings report from Google and Microsoft, and we can look at the shares right now, and you can see that Meta is dropping down. They're all dropping down on it. And so Microsoft, I've got orders placed to buy more. Google, the same. Welcome to the new members from Italy. There's Alicia. All right, then, by the way, so just to confirm, October the 15th in England, we are in Cornwall, we're having the party. All of those that backed the Kickstarter campaign, you will be invited to the meet and greet on the beach. And then in the evening, we'll be in the Victoria Hotel, and we've got Tom as the DJ, and it's a get-together. So day traders from all around the world are coming. Now, if you back the project, the Kickstarter, you will get a free invitation to the party in the evening. If you didn't back the project, it's $50 in the super chat or £50 in the super chat, and you will get an invitation as well. All right, so you can do it that way. Okay, and it's the 15th of October. We look forward to seeing you all there. All right, day trader of the day coming up in a couple of minutes' time. We're very excited about it, and then we're going to end the show because we go to our after hours. After hours tonight is going to be, oh, there we go. I'll give it one more time, the FOMC report. We've got 8 people liked it now. It's going to be 6,000 watching tomorrow, hopefully. That's what watched it last month. But we are going right into the Google earnings. So let me give you that. This is coming up next. As soon as I finish the show, I will reset the scene and I'll be back with the FOMC report, and I'm going to give that link to you right now. Okay, now if you're watching me on YouTube right now and you want to be in our cash prize draw, I've given you the newsletter. In the newsletter, you'll learn that you can win a prize every month on Twitch for free by being a subscriber using your Amazon Prime Gaming, which is Amazon Prime. It's free, and you can be in a draw every month for free. And that's pretty cool too. There is the Twitch channel if you want to join it. All right. The company has been valued higher just on test flights. I think commercial service with 3 flights per month is much more important for the company. So I think it's possible, yes. What was the question there? Victoria Hotel, Alicia. Yes, correct. So he's valuing the company at $10 billion by March 23. Who is this? Rob Brennan. A similar run-up February anticipated. Let me have a look here. What's the $42 target is for the start of commercial service. So February. Yeah, okay. What's this here? Rob, there are 258 million shares of space. Multiply that by 42 price target. I don't know if it will get there by October. Let's have a look. I was speaking to a well-known SPCE Redditor, and he believes we will get announcement of October test flights at earnings. He has a 42 price target for the start of commercial flights. I wouldn't doubt that for a minute. I wouldn't doubt that for a minute. And we've just lost the screen, but I'll fix it. There it is. Apologies to that. We lost all the screens then. And I've got it all back. That was a bit of a drama, wasn't it? I thought my computer blew up then. All right. Okay. Tesla was buy. What does that mean? Tesla was buy. That makes no flipping sense whatsoever. I have Tesla, by the way. I do have Tesla. Very happy to own it as well. Is Google a good buy? Of course it is. Because I'm telling you now, Google are putting the ad revenue up, and I know because I'm a YouTuber. Google own YouTube. So I'm expecting it to go up. And in about 10 minutes time, just after the bell, we will get the information. It will go here on the screen. You'll see it. And I'm looking forward to that. So we'll hold, and then we'll go live to the after hours. Google is a buy now, absolutely. Microsoft is going up, lovely. Pushing up. I've got 3 shares. I'm happy with that. Meta will go up as well. I've just bought some more. Microsoft is going up. I've got a buy in at 232 for a flash crash. Sometimes you get that. If we get a pre-announcement, it will drop and back up again, and I will grab some like a bucket catching a waterfall. All right, that's what that's for. All right, day trader of the day coming up in just a couple of seconds. So we're very excited about that. We're getting ready. That's coming up in just a few minutes' time. And every Friday is our cash prize giveaway if you're in that. So let me give everybody now, I was just about to do it, the Google earnings. This is where we will be at the moment I end this show tonight. I will end the show and go directly to the Google earnings, where we will listen in to the Google earnings. It's the official place to be to listen to Google earnings. All right, we listen in. I don't talk. We listen in. There is the video. Click on that now. Give it a like. Click notification. And we'll be live there straight after this show. Okay, who's going to be the first person to leave a comment? All right, get yourself in there. That's the Google earnings followed by live debate. And then the FOMC report in the morning, which will follow all of this. Here comes some more spam. I don't know why they bother. Why do these people bother? Yeah, you waste your time. It never makes any sense. Silly, silly people. Because it's people that do it. It's bots that are doing it, but it's people behind the bots, right? Silly, silly people. Absolutely silly. Doesn't even do anything. So did anybody on Discord today get any inappropriate messages? You're all very quiet. Anybody? You know what I'm talking about, particularly the guys. We had someone going around saying silly stuff. Anyway. There it is. Over on Discord, on YouTube, TikTok right now. I've just posted my channel right now. YouTube.com/TheDayTrader1. Links in the profile. If you want to come and join us, England is winning 1-0. Brilliant, James. Thank you very much indeed. If you want to be part of our cash giveaway every Friday, come and join us right now, and I'll give you the link. Paul B to the rescue. Thanks, Paul. Treddy has just subscribed to us. Thank you so much indeed. If you want to be part of our cash prize giveaway every Friday, we give away free prizes all the time. Come and join us. And the link's in the profile, or just type that in. Very, very easy. All right. Okay. Fantastic. Hoorah. Don't think I did. Okay, Seb Ding, you didn't. Maybe it was just me then. Maybe I'm just the lucky one then. All right. Why do you expect a good earnings? Because I'm a YouTuber. And other YouTubers are telling you naughty porky pies, because this is the only honest, real YouTube channel, because this is my real money on the screen. These are my real shares. I go live all the time. I share with you my real positions. You see me lose money. You see me share with you what I'm doing. And I tell you the truth, right? And I am telling you for a fact that the YouTube CPM rate, which is the cost per thousand, is going up very, very slightly, but it is. What does that mean? That means companies are paying slightly more to advertise on Google and YouTube because they're paying me slightly more money, which means Google must be making more money on ad revenue because they're paying people like me more money. Meet Kevin, Graham Stepan, they're multimillionaires. And every day they pull a sad face. Every day. And you all watch the channel every day. Because this is what happened. I'll do it right now. I will do a Meet Kevin thumbnail. Oh no. Oh, I'm losing all my money. I've gone from 10 million to 9 million. Graham Stepan. Oh, every day. No matter what happens, I've never seen them happy. And they do it for a reason. Not because they're losing money. Because the algorithm works for them and they repeat it over and over again. I don't blame them for doing it. But it's not how I do things. Okay? I don't do things like that. I tell you the truth. I don't tell you what makes you watch. If you don't watch, you don't watch. Right, we're going to ring the bell. That's why I'm a smaller channel. That's why I'm a smaller channel. Okay, they got millions and millions of subscribers. Because they tell everybody the world's coming to an end. All the time. One day it will come to an end and they'll be right. Anyway, let's ring the bell. But it's not. In my book, it's not coming to an end. All right? Anyway. Here we go. 10 seconds to go. We're going to ring the bell right now. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are in the after hours. Okay. And look at the market. Go straight up in the after hours. Okay. We'll go through all the stocks now and cover it. We're going to end the show in a few minutes. I do think Google will be up. I don't think there'll be great earnings, but I think there'll be earnings. Now, is Market Profit here? Market Profit normally shares us the figures. He gets it from a terminal. And it's just another thing for me to do, which I can't do. I've got 14 screens open as it is. Great. Here we go. Oh, Claudie Farkas just subscribed to me. Thank you so much indeed. Meet Kevin's predicted 50 out of the last 2 recessions. Meet Kevin has predicted 50 out of the last 2. There you go. It's silly, all right? But it makes them a lot of money. Why would they not do it? They don't care. They don't care that you don't like them. They're very thick-skinned people. I get really upset when people don't like me. I get really upset. I couldn't do it. I couldn't come on every day and just make up stuff so you watched. I couldn't do it. It's not who I am. All right? It's not who I am. And if you want a channel like that, you're watching the wrong channel. I'm sorry. I just tell you the truth, how it is. It's not always that popular. But that's what I do. Anyway. Polestar. People like the drama. Amazon. Oh, there we go. Oh, all of a sudden things. Oh, Apple's popped up. Look at that. Nice. Robinhood. I'm not buying any more Robinhood. I got enough. I don't need to buy any more. I got a little bit of it. McDonald's had a great day. The earnings was great. Coca-Cola earnings was great. Everybody was like, oh, doom and gloom, but the earnings was great. Google up 0.21. I've got a buy to buy more, but I don't need to buy any more. Microsoft, I'd like to buy. Oh, there. Here we go. If I get the big drop, I'll catch it like a bucket. Go on, Microsoft. Let me get some cheap shares. You want things to go down. People want everything to go up all the time. I don't. 232. I want 232. Go on. Earnings. Available today after hours. People are pumping it down. Look at that. 232. Go on. Go. Keep going. Keep going. 5% discount. 232. We're in the after hours. If it hits 232, I'll be doubled up. Go on. Oh, it's not going to do it. Come on. Go on. Go to 232. Smash. Will your limit order work? Yes, it will. Go. 232. I could change it. I could just buy it now, but I don't want to do that. You've got to set yourself the limit. I want a discount, but I want a big discount. I want a discount where I can't lose, right? This is exactly what I said would happen. I said there would be this stuff. Look, there goes Meta. I just made money on Meta. Whoa-hey! Brilliant. I said that was going to happen. Overselling of Meta. And now we're overselling of MetaNet bounced back. And Microsoft, if that goes to 232, I'm going to be jumping up and down. Go on, 232. Come on, set myself up. 232. We're going to end the show any second now to go over to the earnings. Google. Oh, there we go. Look at Google up 4%. Look at that. Is earnings out? Earnings is out. No, it's not refreshed. Look at that pump up now. There we go. Look at that pump up. There you go. Thank you, Leah, for taking care of that spammy stuff. Neil, football update. England 2, Sweden 0. You just made my day. You just made my day. Absolutely awesome. There you go. Google, massive pump. There you go. 232. Come on, let's get some cheap. I'm not selling Google. You having a laugh? I'm buying. I buy and hold. Google went up. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Whoa. Google will make money tonight. I gave you the inside information. It's up to you whether you took it or not. All right, I can't do any more than tell you that the YouTubers will tell you naughty stuff to make you give them money and watch and feel sorry for them. Don't feel sorry for Meet Kevin. It's a multi-millionaire. Don't feel sorry for Graham Stappen. Multi-millionaire. BitBoy, Cryptos are us. They don't go live all day long because they make money, right? And you love it. You love when they say the markets are going to zero because you're desperate and you watch. Don't listen to it. Well, do listen to it because it makes them rich. And it's great. Gives me something to laugh at. Right. Microsoft. Go on. 232. That's it. That's the bottom. It might not go anymore. I don't think I'm going to get. Thank you, Martin. Bought Google just before market close. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. I'm trying to help people. Trying to tell you the truth, right? Now, it's up to you now. If you're not a believer, sell it. Look, it's going to go up now. Sell it. Make a profit. Because it might go down again. I'm holding mine. Because Google's one of the best companies in the world, right? I want to buy more, but I'm not going to buy any more until it goes a lot cheaper. I don't need to. Look at that, folks. That's a real pump. Could be a pump and dump, but I think Google are doing all right. I think Google's report's going to be all right. And when that happens, Facebook will go up. Oh, look, Facebook went up. Oh, dear. Remember everybody sold out because of Snapchat, and I had a big rant on it. A silly little children's app called Snapchat went down, and everybody went, well, Google are going to lose money then, aren't they? Google are not Snapchat. But people treated it the same way. I don't understand it. It's all about reading people. I can't trade after hours. Well, hey, don't worry about it. Did you buy it cheap? Hold on to it. What did you pay for Google? What did you pay? Oh, Enphase Energy is up 6%. We are getting some pumps. Oh, Enphase Energy. No surprise because I said that oil has peaked. Look at that. Oh, up 29%. I told you, look, oil has peaked. Oil has peaked. And Enphase Energy is up 6% after hours. Get in. Oh, yes. There we go. The earnings for Enphase Energy is coming up. Any minute now, it's gone up 7%. What is the earnings? Oh, absolutely great. Enphase Energy. Breaking news, Google reports 69.99 billion in revenue. There you go. Right. Everybody now go and unsubscribe from Meet Kevin and Graham Stepan. Tell the world. Martyn Lucas told me. Everybody else said the money, Google was losing money. Well, I'm just saying, you paid $87? No. Seb Dean, you paid $87 for Google? You didn't pay $87 for Google. It didn't go that low. You paid $87 for Google? Are you kidding me? It didn't go that low because I've got an order placed. Oh, £87. Oh, thinking bloody hell. What's that in dollars? Can someone tell me what's that in dollars? I'd like to know because I'd like to know. This is brilliant. Brilliant. Microsoft, there goes the drop. $104. Oh, cool. Nice. Nice. Hold it. Just hold it. You got a dividend. Look at that. Look at Meta popping up. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This is good. I just bought some more Meta. Lovely. Lovely. £108. Very, very exciting. You just bought Google for £108. Lovely. There will be some drops. There will be some scalping, though. Don't worry about that, though. Just hold on to it. Hey, Siri, what's 87 in freedom? No one do that. No, in fact, if I do that, I upset everybody. I upset everybody if I do that. You ready? Shall I do it? People love when I do this. You ready? Hey, Alexa, what's the time? Have I just upset everybody? Ah, yes. Have I just upset everybody? That'll teach you that'll teach you not to subscribe to Kevin and Cryptos R Us and all everybody else. Yeah. That'll teach. That's your punishment for believing that Google was going down. Just saying. All right, you watch them. I don't. Overall portfolio. Oh, I got Meta before the close. Did everybody have a little bit of drama then? Did everybody have a bit of a drama? Right, you know what's got to happen now? We've got to go over to our earnings show. So, ready? We'll do day trader of the day over on the earnings show. Okay, so let me just finish up here and do the credits. So, quick commercial break. Refresh the screen. Come back to me right now. Here we go. Roll the credits. Roll the credits. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Let's do it right now. We've got to go over to the happy music. You ready? Okay, here we go. We're going to end the show right now. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Roll the credits. I don't think anyone did anything, right? You were all rubbish. No one did anything. No one gave me this. I made a lot of people a lot of money tonight and no one's given me any tips. Can't believe it. Roll the credits. Here we go. Shoo-doo-doo-be-doo-be, shoo-boo-be-doo-be-doo, wow. Let's have a look. Moderators. Subscriptions. Hey, Tree D and Claudica, Farcast. There we go. See you there. Going to be there in 2 minutes. I expect a lot of super chats tonight because I made a lot of people a lot of money. If you listen to me, some of you did, some of you didn't. All right, you ready? Okay, I'm going to end the music right now. We've got to go straight over now to the other show. You ready? Okay. See you in a second, guys, on the Google earnings. It's going to be a big night. Take care of yourselves and each other.